Africa's automotive aftermarket is expanding rapidly, driven by population growth, urbanization, rising vehicle ownership, and the continued importation of new and used vehicles across the continent. As millions of vehicles remain in service for longer periods, demand for high-quality automotive spare parts, tires, batteries, lubricants, filters, and maintenance products continues to increase. This growing demand is creating significant opportunities for manufacturers, exporters, distributors, and suppliers looking to establish long-term partnerships and expand their presence in Africa's fast-growing automotive sector. Our Africa Auto Parts directory gives you instant access to thousands of verified business contacts from Africa's automotive sector, including company names, addresses, telephone numbers, email addresses, websites. With reliable and up-to-date market information at your fingertips, you can identify potential customers, connect with key decision-makers, reduce prospecting time, and accelerate your market entry strategy. Whether you're introducing a new product, appointing local distributors, expanding your export operations, or strengthening your presence in Africa, our directory provides the targeted business contacts you need to generate qualified leads, build strategic partnerships, and increase your export sales. Download the Africa Auto Parts directory today and start connecting directly with Africa's leading auto parts importers, distributors, wholesalers, retailers, manufacturers, and other key purchasing decision-makers. Your direct link to Africa's lucrative automotive sector starts here.